Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M52, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to general management. Then scroll down and you'll find reset. Select factory data reset, and then gives you a message basically what it will remove. So probably that couple things that I can mention that might be important are things like music, photos, and user data. Majority of the other things can be basically regained, for instance with a Google account. So Google account, whoop-de-doo, you just log in and you get it back. System and app data, obviously if you install apps it gets back. Settings, you can change those. Downloaded apps, re-download them. So yeah. Anyway, so from here, if you have some of the things that you want to back up, do it right now, otherwise you will lose them permanently. But assuming you have already made a backup or you simply don't want to, click on reset, delete all, and this will begin the process, which only takes a couple minutes. Once it's finished, we should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.